A day when the markets were waiting for Nifty to hit that 20,000 mark, taking the moves into consideration, but it clearly failed and we ended just almost nearly 30 points away from those 20,000 levels. Though the rally has continued for 6 consecutive sessions and we've ended at the day's highest levels, Nifty around at 19,950, whereas Sensex saw gains of almost around 450 points coming in there. There was clear outperformance from Bank Nifty in today's session. And if you talk about the broader markets as well, they clearly underperformed and ended on a pretty flat note. In terms of sectors, IT as well as power, these were two sectors which actually ended in the negative, and the major pressure came in from an Infosys ahead of the numbers as well. Overall, if you see in terms of the coiners, you're the ITC, a strong move coming in there and one of the top contributors as well to the gains we saw in the markets. Kotak Mahindra Bank, ICICI, DRL as well as Grasim. In fact, ICICI Bank as well as Axis Bank are rallying to actually finish the line at that 1,000 level. Initially, we were talking about 900 and now they're marching towards those 1,000 levels. On the losing end, Infosys was the top loser, followed by names like Ultratech Cement, Eicher Motors, as well as Bajaj Finserv in trade. On the back of earnings, stocks like Zenza Technologies, Polycab, Havells India, and Coforge reacted to numbers in today's session. And if you talk about newsmakers, Reliance Industries listed at 2611 after the special pre-open session for price discovery. SJVN has signed an order on the back of which we saw strong moves there. Transformers and rectifiers saw a downtick on the alleged certificate forgery. Hatson Agro jumped after reporting an increase in numbers. PNC Infra on the back of a project win saw some smart moves. Krishna Diagnostics lost in trade on the back of a Rajasthan contract that was lost as well. So yes, a lot of movers and shakers in trade today. However, the broader markets were flat. Majority of the action was in the large cap names, and we're just around 30 points away from that 20,000 mark. Now, whether we will hit that in tomorrow's opening session or not is anyone's guess, and that's what the markets will be watching out for.